By design, karmically, by inheritance, by evolution, the human mind is unable to tell truth from falsehood. If that don't give you humility, nothing will. Consequently, the spiritual teachers throughout all of time have said, unaided, without the help of a guru or a teacher, it's impossible to reach the highest truth. Only, in other words, truth can reveal itself, but without the revelation of that truth, nobody would even know what direction to look. Now, we've shared with the world the way in which everyone can find out for himself what the truth is, so one is not dependent on a teacher. However, a teacher having been the route can save you time, so it's practical. It's practical to have a teacher. Save you all kinds of time wandering through the desert. And so if you have a map, it really speeds up your expedition. That's the main value of a teacher to me, is shares the map, having traced it, like Marco Polo. He went all the way to China, he came back and he told you how it was, and he told you how to get to China. And of course, a lot of people thought he was an idiot or smoking something weird. People have slanty eyes, and imagine his story when he got back to Europe, where he didn't even know that China existed. So Marco Polo was an explorer. So to me, a spiritual teacher is an explorer, having been to China, can tell you the best map, and that's the value of the spiritual teachings.